In this video, I'm going to show you my review of the Mobirise website builder so you can decide if it's the right tool for your next project. So Mobirise is a drag and drop website builder that's designed to be simple and offline based. So that means you download the software to your computer, build your site locally, and then publish it to your own hosting. So this makes it a bit different from other builders like Wix or Squarespace, so which are cloud-based and requires you to work online. So let's start with the ease of use. Mobirise is a pretty straightforward. You don't need any coding skills to get started, so you simply choose a theme, drag in pre-made blocks like headers, image, galleries, contact forms, or a footers, and customize them with your own text, images, and colors. So the editing is visual. To what you see is what you get. So one big plus is that Mobirise is lightweight and responsive. That means that the websites you build are mobile friendly by default. And since it's offline, you're not dependent on internet speed while editing. It's also a free to download and use for basic features, which is great if you're just testing things out. Now, on the downside, while Mobirise offers the free core features, many of the more stylish themes and advanced blocks are part of the paid extensions. Also, since it's offline based, you need to handle hosting and a domain setup yourself. So which might feel tricky for beginners who want an all-in-one solution. So another thing to note is that it's not as flexible for complex websites compared to some online builders. So Mobirise is best suited for a small business sites, portfolios, landing pages, or a simple promotional websites. So if you're a beginner or who wants to own your files and have a full control over hostings, it's a solid option. But if you're looking for a built-in hosting e-commerce features or advanced integrations, you might find a cloud-based platforms more convenient. So is Mobirise worth trying? If you're looking like or if you like the idea of an offline drag and drop builder that gives you full control over where your host or your sites, and then yes, that's worth a look. Just keep in mind that some premium features will require paid on add-ons. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.